No, the soup. The soup
The
is
soup.
very hot.
Amazing. Nice. Salt.
I don't like salt.
So little by little we're closing into Benin Republic. Over here, this road is one of the most dangerous road we ever came across. A lot of accident. And then it's a traffic section. As usual, you always get people looking at you. Look at this case. They're looking at you once you saddle up and then you are dressed up, all geared up and all that. You get people hanging around you and being curious. Okay, what is going on and all that. Yeah, but then it's normal. So these guys, even though the green light is not up, but they just want to leave. And one interesting thing about this place is that almost everyone has a helmet. It's my first time actually seeing somebody without a helmet. That's the girl in green going ahead over there. Strange. In Togo, everybody has a helmet, and then the security policeman gave us a salute. That's very interesting. And it is really hard to differentiate between let's say a Ghanaian architecture and this Togolese architecture buildings you see over here. Almost the same. Almost the same. And that is the essence of this campaign, Borderless Africa, because we look the same. We are just one people. We are basically the same. Just for the I don't even understand why we have all these but oh dear Lord Jesus. So it was a very interesting ride from here. Of course, that's a cop behind us doing his bike tricks and all that. Yeah. And then you are ushered onto a very major road, and here it looks like there is a ceremony happening on this road. I do not know whether it is a wedding or a funeral ceremony, but you know, those convoy, they were actually up to something very significant. If you have an idea what it was, please let me know. And then we got over here, men are hungry. We've never eaten anything the whole day.
We are just about some few minutes getting into Benin. The whole day, food not touched stomach. We made a stop over here. We've seen some food down here. Don't really know what it is, but we will check. Our parking, it doesn't really look good. Very close to this guy. Look at the space. We are doing a repack.
And another interesting thing I came across is how these guys are pounding the fufu. It's really, really interesting.
Nice. Yeah. How do you pound fufu in your town? Here is Togo. Pounded yam. Share the story.
Unlike cassava, where Ghanaians used to pound fufu, over here it is yam.
Eko is going to eat pounded. Eko, have you eaten pounded yam before?
Yeah, yesterday.
At where?
The place you showed me with the pound nut soup.
Eh,
Yeah, it was good. It was
amazing.
Good. It was good.
So today is going to be your second time.
The only thing I'm scared of is the way they use their hands to do it, no Charlie. Because small thing, you know, my stomach will worry me. So let's see. The other place, the hygiene was good. But this place, I'm seeing how they're even washing the bowls, you know, actually. But that is for adventure. I took I get metronidazole and then Cipro. So Ministro.
Travel and see, oh. They say travel, you day your village there. You can say everything beyond.
They smell nice. It's okay. Just soup. Merci.
Merci. Amazing, guy. It's bush meat. I think it's goat. Goat meat, and light soup, and pounded yam. Eko is going to face this alone. All by himself. I don't eat fufu. Xavier, he doesn't like meat. So, and since morning, we've not eaten. I think it's getting to 2 p.m. We've been on the road, riding, closing into Benin. Right now, we have about 3 hours and 30 minutes to get to Benin. So, Eko, his stomach is rumbling. The thing is, a vast continent and a whole lot of interesting things are happening elsewhere.
Very hot,
It's hot, eh?
Hey.
Hot pounded yam.
No, the soup. The
The
is
soup.
very hot.
Amazing. Nice. Salt.
I don't like salt. This is good.
Amazing.
Fuck! Shit is hot, man.
You are happy?
I'm happy, Charlie. My only fear is my stomach. But anyway, we will try them. This is good.
Amazing.
Be like over here, no, they don't use this thing, no, liquid soap. Because the other place too, there was no liquid soap. It was just washing powder.
And then the journey continues. We're closing in to the border, but over here there is a toll booth ahead where it is required of us to pay before we get in there. But then there is also a passage for motorbikes that if you are smart enough and use that part, you're just going to go free, but we did not. So another road is introduced again, and this road is really interesting. It gives you a vibe as though you are in the northern part of Ghana, like Tamale or Savannah region. If you've been there before, you know what I'm talking about.